guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much. I know you're wondering why am I on the floor. I am on the floor because I'm getting ready to show you what I hauled at the Dollar Tree. I had to run out early this morning. I had to take the girls to school, and I decided while I was out, I would pop into the Dollar Tree. And so I got one bunch of lilac, one bunch of the baby's breath, and 4 bunches of the yellow roses. And guys, take a look at that. They are so realistic. I love the way the colors are vibrant and just how it's really good quality this year. I really like the way different shades. They had pink and white. They've got yellow and orange, which was gorgeous, but they must have ran out because I wanted to have 4 of them and they only had 1. So I had to pass on that. So before I move on to the rest of the things, I purchased these because I've been talking about doing floral arrangements for the longest of time. And I know that spring is right around the corner and you guys may be looking for wedding ideas. So I will do an arrangement. I'm thinking I may do a bouquet. We'll see. You will be the first to know. If you are a subscriber, you'll be the first to know. So if you are on this channel for the first time, welcome. Thank you so much. And I hope that you will hit the subscribe button so that you can be one of the first to be able to see this wedding bouquet. And I probably will be doing more wedding arrangements because of spring coming up. And I do know that people like to have weddings during Valentine's into spring, into August. So I want to be able to assist with that, with giving you ideas on how to do a floral arrangement or a bouquet for less. Gorgeous, but less. Okay, I know you guys are wondering, why is this woman in the children's department constantly? No, I don't want to have any more. 6 is enough. But I'm just intrigued with the toys right now. It's in my system. I'm trying to get it out. So I hauled these 3 and I will share with you guys. So stay tuned for my home decor. If your bell is not on, that's going to notify you that I have a new upload. I would suggest that you do that because there is so much going on in this head of mine. I had to put on a hat to contain it, guys. And then I have these little sticks that I am getting ready to do a project and I truly need more of them. So before I get started and have to run out, I went ahead and purchased these. So this is going to be a project, and I think I may have that ready for you tomorrow. I may do it tonight, or I may do it early in the morning so that you can have it tomorrow. I believe I may do the arrangement floral today so that the bouquet can be out there. And yes, they have these in many different colors. There is 4 of them in a pack, and they came with some, haven't separated the spoons, but this is a project. Don't know what it is yet. I've been cutting cardboards and I saw these at the Dollar Tree and I decided I'm going to go ahead and haul that so I can make my life easier. So they have all these things in the men's section, in the hardware section. They also have the Valentine's little lights. But I want to mention, I've had someone say to me that they couldn't find the lights that I've shown in that toy video that I did, the toy, sand toy that I turned into a lantern. Well, you can easily, I want to say those were a cup from the 4th of July. And basically what I did is just pull them off, and there you go. You've got your lights. If you want to use them at Valentine's, you can go ahead, pop them back on. But for your projects or for decor that you have at home, just go ahead and pop the tops off, like that lamp, and there you go. You've got your lights, and it's only $1. Fabulous. So I did mention that to her, but for many of you that may not have left a message and you were thinking the same thing, you can't find the lights in your Dollar Tree, these are the lights. They come in 4th of July, they come in Valentine's, they come in Christmas time. They just have them at different season, and all you have to do is pop the top off, and there you go. Now this is the surprising part of this haul. I was stunned on all the makeup that the Dollar Tree had. I'm not sure if, I've not worn the Dollar Tree makeup. I have worn these pencils, and I love them. I still get them at the Dollar Tree because they're only $1, and they are cream. So it goes on really smooth, and I love them. Bonnie Bell. So I use these all the time. But all these others that I'm about to share with you, I've never tried. And so they've got LA colors, and these are contour sticks. Fabulous. I may be behind, but I did not know that they had these things at the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to check them out. There is a dark one and a light one, and I'm assuming they are creamy. They're soft, so they would go on really well. Doesn't say, but it has to. Great for contouring, and it's LA Color Contour Pencil. I'm going to test them, and I will let you know how they work. They also have a new brand. Now, the LA Color, I've seen their sparkling lip gloss. Beautiful benefits. Never seen that brand before. Now it's there. And so, let's see. I don't know. Has no taste, but it has a scent. Well, it's only $1, and it's cold out, so it will work for keeping my lips moist. I like the scent of it, so that's a nice thing. That's very good. So that's a good thing. They also have Beauty Benefits press powder. I don't know the color. They had 2 different colors. I went with the darker one. They also have foundation, guys. Didn't know that at all. They had foundation. I mean, of course, I don't know if I'd buy foundation there. They sometimes have CoverGirl. If you can find your shade, I guess I would go with that. But that's not bad. That shade is not bad at all. For pressed powder, I think that's good. Doesn't have a scent, so that's good. So I will test these out and see. Now, there was another shade that they had. Moisturizing. It doesn't say what color it is, but I will try them. They also have the eyeshadow. Thought that was a good color. And a darker shade. don't know, there's too much. There we go. So guys, the Dollar Tree is stepping in. They're stepping in. So I will test out these makeup and I will let you know if they broke my skin out or if they did work. So I thank you so much. Oh, I've got 2 more things here. All the ribbons to go with the flower for $1. I think it's thin, but I think it will work. Now, you know I'm all about my diamond wrap and my bling, but these are fabulous colors. And I couldn't help but go with each of the colors. They had a purple, a lavender. I didn't get it. I'm not big on lavender, purple, but I think for spring, this would be fabulous. And Valentine's here. I'm sure I'll probably do one more Valentine decor, so I went with the red. So I'm so glad to be able to share with you guys what I hauled from the Dollar Tree today. I hope you like it. Look for my DIY coming later on today. I appreciate your time, and I hope that you will hit the subscribe button if you have not hit that button before. Just go ahead and press subscribe, become a part of this family. I truly appreciate it. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I will see you later on today. Thank you guys. I will talk to you soon.